Then the third set of people are the most deceived set of people. Those ones they are the confused people. They are people that we call financial stability. There are those who call middle class.
Hello everyone, welcome to Biblical Finance Ministry. My name is Mayowa Oluwajobi, and in this video, you'll be learning about the 5 pyramids of wealth by Dr. Olumide Emmanuel, the common sense guru. Watch this video and let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking on the subscription button and also on the notification bell to get notified of our weekly uploads. Click on the like button for it to be shared to more people.
See, in the pyramid of wealth, there are 5 levels in the pyramid of wealth. Number 1 is those that are at the bottom of the pyramid. You know, the pyramid is like a triangle.
Yeah.
So the bottom is heavy. So those that are at the bottom are those that are in what we call financial crisis. And that's where majority of Nigerians are. Over 70% of Nigerians are poor.
Yeah.
United Nations defines living below $2 a day as poverty, and living below $1 a day as extreme poverty. So think about it. $1 a day is extreme poverty. $1, let's just assume for round figure. Let's just say 1.5 a day. So when you take 1.5 a day and you multiply it by 30, so that gives you, if you are earning below that, you are an extremely poor person. And the minimum wage, they are still up and down. So let's assume now that you are earning 100,000. You are still poor.
Yeah.
Because $2 a day is like 3,000.
3,000.
So 3,000 times 30 days or 31 days. So that's also, if you are earning 100,000 and below, you are poor. That's what United Nations is saying. That if you earn like 50,000, you are extremely poor. So 70%, above 70% of Nigeria are extremly poor. So that is the first level, financial crisis, where your take home does not take you home. Before by the time you are collecting the salary, the one you borrow from microfinance and from loan app and from your friends, budget 2K, you are finished. You have to borrow money again or collect staff loan. So that's level 1. The level 2 after that is financial instability. Now, financial instability are people that they have a job, they are making money every month, or they have a business, they are making money, but water pass Gary. So even if they try and try, my mother will always say, no matter how much February try, you can never enter 30. If you try every 4 years, you go enter 29. But for February to enter 30, it won't happen. So my mother will always say June and July, like one has 30 days, one has 31 days. So the things are not equal. So no matter how, those people in financial instability, you know, the thing no balance. Because they are making money, they have a good job, but water pass Gary. By the time they paid this, paid that, band hay, bandwagon, bandits, abandoned people, they are already in trouble. So that is level 2, financial instability. Then the third set of people are the most deceived set of people. Those ones they are the confused people. They are people that we call financial stability. There are those who call middle class, you know, they have money, some of them have good jobs, some of them are even high class people, high net worth, they are okay, they have a job. They have cars. They may even be landlord. Their children are in private school. They travel abroad. They have savings. But you see, the reason why they are the most deceived people is because those people that are financially stable, they are the ones that people that are in financial instability and financial crisis look up to and call them Oga. So because the people below them are much, so you see a lot of people like that, they are earning well. They work in oil company, they work in multinationals, they earn good money, they have opportunities, they have cars, they travel abroad. But those people, once they lose their job now, they are poor people. They'll become unstable. So that is the third set of people. Then the fourth set of people are people that are in financial independence. Now, those that are in financial independence are people that they work, they no work, money is flowing because they have assets and investments.
Sure.
And the income from their assets and investment takes care of all their bills, and they still have leftover. So they're already financially independent. So they don't need to work. Money is already working for them. Those are the fourth level. Then you are now asking, Level 5 is financial freedom.
Financial freedom.
So you see how the journey far. So financial freedom are people that the money from their investments and their assets is enough to take care of them and hundreds and thousands of people. So not just them. So you see somebody will set up a foundation now and put $5 billion there. It's financially free. You can give $5 billion to help other people. The man that is financially independent may not be able to do that.
Sure.
You may do foundation and put $100,000 there. Because so those are the, so if you're not saying how can somebody be financially free, is to go through that journey
You have to
and make sure that you pay the price to get to the top. So it's a journey that everybody is on, and if they do the right thing, they will get there. So they have books and materials that helps on that. School of Money, Pathway to Wealth, and all the stuff. They are all books that will help.
I hope this video has been of great value to you. What are your thoughts about the 5 pyramids of wealth, and which level are you on? Are you willing to grow and get to the top, which is financial freedom? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell to get notified of our weekly uploads. Like, share, and comment on our videos. See you in the next video.